TrainSmart Australia is an industry leader in online training courses which help you become work ready in your future career. Whether you study on campus, in Perth, or online, we believe in equipping you with the right skills for the job. Our tool of choice is LearnSmart, our very own online learning platform. LearnSmart offers an accessible, all-in-one learning environment to connect you with your course. When you log into LearnSmart, you can access your course materials, watch lectures, and keep in touch with classmates and trainers. All our courses are designed to fit within your everyday schedule. Whether you have 15 minutes during your work break or a whole day dedicated to catching up on coursework, you will receive the same level of support we provide to all our students. Getting stuck on a unit? You can access our online chat rooms, providing dedicated forums to communicate with other students and trainers on the coursework. You can also directly message student support for additional help, as well as schedule one-on-one sessions with your dedicated trainer for ongoing support during your course. Keeping track of your progress throughout your course is also incredibly simple. Every unit you study will include assessments required to complete the course. Once you have submitted an assessment, a tick will appear on the completion progress bar. This helps you visually track how far you've progressed through your course and what you have left to complete. So whether you're looking to begin a new career or develop your current skill set, LearnSmart is your one-stop destination to help you become work ready. Call our friendly career advisors today to learn more about studying online with TrainSmart Australia.